Hello, hello. If you would like to join me for a quick unboxing, then stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I am on here to do a quick unboxing of, as you can see, Galen leather. So I am sort of toying with selling one or possibly two of my more expensive ostrich planners. And with that being said, I got something here to sort of replace one that I think I am planning on selling, but we'll see. I have to work myself up to it. So, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing of these two products. Are something that I ordered, and I have to say they came in crazy fast for shipping all the way from Turkey. So, but I'm very thankful for that. So let's just get started with the first one. So this is something that I got in order to be able to take my fountain pens with me to wherever, church or Bible study or what have you. I really love writing with fountain pens, and I have another pen case in this purple, and it's a bit stiff, but there are the slots. So you get the standard card. You always get a code for 10% off, and then they send you like a little postcard. So those are really neat. And then you get the standard tea and the evil eye charm, which I'm trying to open here. So I like the tea. I'm not like a huge fan of the charm, which is fine. I usually just gift them to somebody else. But I do like trying out new teas. For me, that's cool. And oh, look at that. A tobacco refreshing towel. That's new. So that's cool. So I appreciate, those little sentiments. To be honest, the bag is really what I like more than anything, because I use these little baggies for all sorts of little trinkets, and I love it. Even like when I'm traveling, I'll use the bag to put a couple of pieces of jewelry in, and they're great. So anywho, so there is this is the it's the flap over 3 pen case, and it has the contrast stitching. I love that. Okay, let's get a fountain pen, or 3 fountain pens. This is my undyed one with the clip. This one holds 5. So we'll just get some various different ones from out of here. And this one's on the smaller side, and we'll use that. Okay. So let's see. I have a feeling that maybe the TWSBI iris might not fit. Well, I could be wrong. Ooh, this one's a bit, I think I could stretch it. Yeah, I mean, I could stretch it so that it would work. So there you go. Now this pen is super fat, so I don't want to push it too much, because it's sort of a rare fat pen that I have, and I don't want to super overstretch that leather so that it makes a pen going in there really floppy. But that is what it looks like with that fat pen. So Galen leather there, and look, it's actually, yeah, so I need to pull that back because I don't really want, hang on, I don't want this pen to be indenting. So I really don't think that I will store this one in here because it is super long, compared to my others. It's a really long pen. So, and I don't really take I don't even have it closed. That's really stupid of me. I don't take the vac pen with me anywhere anyway, because I am a little bit nervous about what I just showed you. I forgot to close the plunger, and I'm nervous about it leaking, so this one stays here. So that's fine, but I'm getting off on bunny trails, sorry. But that's normal for me. Y'all know that if you follow me. So that's what it would look like, kind of regular. So, you know, if you have super long or thick pens, you are going to have some indentions there, because this one is kind of indenting a little bit. So I'll probably more use this for, you know, some of the smaller pens that I take with me. So that's totally fine, and I really like that. And I will be happy. I was saying before, Galen leather, their leathers are pretty stiff in the beginning. So if you are a Chic Sparrow fan, they kind of remind me of the Darcy leather thickness. So they definitely are a little thick, but the more you use them, the more they sort of, you know, work in and you know, get floppier. So, but I do love their pen cases, and they're super well priced. So for me, it's just worth it. So, and then you can see their embossed label, which is so pretty. I mean, their stitching is really nice. You know, this is their back stitching, and they did a really, sorry, I have a broken nail there. They have, their back stitching is pretty decent, kind of, you know, keeping it in line there. So yeah, so I like it for sure. There you are. Beautiful purple. As you guys know, I'm a bit purple crazy. I admit it. That's okay. I'm all right with it. I'll take the label gladly. Okay, so we will leave that there. And then this is the thing that I was saying that I purchased to hopefully try and replace one of my others. Ooh, I like it. So it's going to be, you know, the same little things here, and I'm not going to bother showing that. But let's open this because I don't want to. There we go. So, okay, ready? Hang on, sniff dust. Okay. Well, I mean, it smells a wee bit chemically, maybe, just like a little tidge-tadge, just a little. So, super simple folio in the undyed leather. Again, you can see the Galen leather embossing there. They did do what looks like kind of more like undyed stitching versus like a white, but it's really very simple. So, is this a B6? Yes. So this is a B6. I actually use this one just for pen swatching things for my fountain pens. I just happen to have this on my desk. So this is a Cosmo Air Light notebook. So it's pretty thick. And I really like how they did it like this so that the flap kind of opens and makes it super easy to get your book in there. So I like that. Let's see how well it closes though. There we go. Okay. So that is that. It does have a pen loop, which I'm super excited about. So that would be the top view. And I want to say this might be really close to Astology as far as page-wise. I can't really remember, and they don't label it, so I don't remember how many pages that was, but it is quite a bit. So it is fairly, it's a fairly thick book. So I'm not really sure that you can use like the Wonderland in here. Let's try it out. I'm gonna say that and let's just try it. Give me 1 second and I will grab one out of my stash here. Okay, well I don't have a Wonderland, but this one is very similar. I do, but I'm not gonna go digging for 10 minutes. So this one is very similar. It's 8 paper cuts, and this one's not labeled either, but I wanna say there was like, this is Tomoe River paper as well. So I wanna say there was maybe 100 and something pages in this one. Okay. Get with it, Heather. You can do this. All right, there we go. So this is what it would look like with a really skinny notebook. And I mean, I suppose it would work okay, but you can kind of see some like puffing here and here. So, I mean, which is totally fine for me because my plan is to use a thicker book in here, which, you know, as you saw, the thicker book looks a little bit better. So, you know, this is the undyed leather, and the pen loop is elasticated, which is super nice. I'm not sure if this is for, I believe this is actually for the pen case and not this, but as you can see, this is super thick. Let's just see. With the elastication, well, I mean, that one's not gonna fit, but you can fit a super thick pen in there. But let's just put a skinnier one in and turn it on the elastication. And that's how you would have a skinnier pen. So it's really nice though that it's thick, because this will be really great for a lot of fountain pens, which is perfect because generally fountain pens is what I will be using with this book. So it's pretty, it's undyed, you know, so it marks up really easily. You can see a little mark there from the factory and a little mark here from the factory, but I'm not like worried about that at all because my hope is for this to get like a really kind of pretty golden brown color. So I'm excited. It is definitely a little different than the pen case. So darker, like it's already sort of getting more of a honey tone to it, whereas my pen case has definitely been out of the light. I haven't sprayed it or anything because I want this to patina as well. So you can see a little difference in color there. So otherwise, I think this is gonna work great for me. I may actually purchase another one, but we'll see. And maybe in obviously a different color, because I don't generally keep the same colors for everything. But I just wanted to show you guys my little haul, mini haul from Galen Leather. And I appreciate you guys joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!